Welcome everyone. We are discussing basic derivatives. I have already discussed derivatives of four functions: x to the power n, e to the power mx, a to the power mx, log x or log ax. Through this video, today I will discuss six more derivatives of trigonometric function. So, number 5. Derivative with respect to x, d by dx, sin ax. Derivative of sin ax. All of you know derivative of sin x is cos x. But general one is d dx of sin ax. So cos ax into coefficient of a. So a cos ax. Here angle is measured in radian. You must remember angle is measured in radian. It may be measured in radian and degree, but to this formula, angle is measured in radian. So this is, look, application. If it is sin x, so this is cos x. A equals to 1. So from this you can deduce derivative of sin x is cos x. So you remember this one. Here also same restriction. This argument must be linear. Now d dx of sin x by 2, this is half cos x by 2. Argument is x by 2, so cos x by 2 into coefficient of x. Now, what is general form of linear function? Linear algebraic function ax plus b. So sin ax plus b. So if you put b equals to 0, you get first one. So this is general form. So derivative of sin is cos ax plus b. Argument is same into coefficient of x. So a cos ax plus b. So this one is general. In general. So application, look, d dx of sin 2 minus 3x. So main function is sin, so derivative is cos 2 minus 3x into coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? So this is minus 3. So this one is general. Sin linear algebraic function. So I am discussing in each case. Look, sin x square, you cannot find derivative by this rule because this one is not linear. Some student write cos x square, but this is not the case because it is not linear. So I have already discussed that if it is not linear, then you can perform the derivative using chain rule. I will discuss it later. Now d dx of sin ax equals to cos ax into a cos ax. Restriction is this argument must be linear and this angle measured in radian. But look, if d dx of sin x degree, so cos x degree, derivative, this is not true because this is not measured in radian. In this case, you have to change degree to radian. You know 180 degree equals to pi radian. So what is x degree? d dx of sine x degree means pi x by 180 radian. We can omit it, here it is omitted, but it is measured in radian. If no symbol is given, you suppose it is radian. Now this is linear, so derivative of sine is cos pi x by 180 into coefficient of x. So pi by 180 into cos x degree. Initially it is given in degree, so we are again transforming pi x by 180 is x degree. So we write it directly. d dx of sine x degree is cos x degree multiplied by pi by 180. So you should remember it. So d dx of sine x. Next, d dx of number 6 cos ax. Cos ax measured in radian, so sin ax into minus a sin ax minus a sin ax. You remember, if trigonometric function starting with c, its derivative will be negative. Derivative of cos is negative, derivative of cot x is negative, derivative of cosec x is also negative. So application, d dx of cos x by 2, so sin x by 2 with negative sign into coefficient of x. So half of this. d dx of cos x, this is minus sin x. Minus sin x. So d dx of, if it is cos x degree, then I have already discussed, write the formula. Sin x degree minus. If it is degree, it is multiplied by pi by 180. This should be noted. And in general, d dx of cos ax plus b, if it is linear function, argument is linear function, minus sin ax plus b into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is this one. So this is general. If you put b equals to 0, you get this one. Now application, d dx of cos 2x plus 3. So minus sin 2x plus 3 into coefficient of x, 2 sin 2x plus 3. So d dx of cos ax. Then 7 d dx of tan ax, derivative of tan ax. So sec square ax multiplied by coefficient of x, that is a. This to be noted, we are taking it ax, not tan x, because this one is general. d dx of tan x by 2. If it starts with c, this is negative, but not starts with c, so positive. Sec square x by 2, argument is x by 2, do not write x, so half of this. Some student write this is half of sec square x. This one is not correct. Argument must be same here. So sec square x by 2 into coefficient of x. And in general, d dx of tan ax plus b equals to a into sec square ax plus b. Sec square into coefficient of x. Now, d dx of tan 3 minus 2x. So, sec square 3 minus 2x into coefficient of x, this is minus 2. Now, argument must be linear. d dx of tan x square, sec square x square. Not possible because it is not linear. Now, 8. d dx of cot ax. You have to remember these 10 standard formulae. So, cot. So, if it is starting with c, then derivative is negative. Minus cosec square ax into coefficient of x minus a cosec square ax. For example, d by dx, derivative with respect to x, cot, suppose x by 3, so minus cosec square x by 3. Argument must be same into coefficient of x. d dx of cot x degree to be noted. So, minus cosec square x degree. And if it is degree, to make it radian, you have to multiply it by pi by 180. So, this is pi by 180 into cosec square x degree, not x, x degree, x degree. And in general, d dx of cot ax plus b minus a cosec square ax plus b. A cosec square ax plus b. Now, application d dx of cot 2 minus 3x. So, minus cosec square 2 minus 3x into coefficient of x. So, minus 3. So, this one is general. Next, remaining to d dx of sec ax into tan ax into a. Derivative of sec ax into tan ax. These two arguments must be same. So, d dx of sec 3x. So, derivative is positive, 3 sec 3x tan 3x. Coefficient of x. X degree. So, sec x degree tan x degree into pi by 180 into pi by 180. And in general, d dx of sec ax plus b. So sec ax plus b, argument tan ax plus b into a. So same technique. This is linear trigonometric, then function is trigonometric function. Sec 1 minus x. Sec 1 minus x tan 1 minus x into minus 1 into minus 1. And finally, tan d dx of cosec ax, cosec ax. So starting with c negative, starting with c negative, starting with c negative. So cosec ax into cot ax into a with negative sign. Now application, d dx of cosec x by 2. So minus cosec x by 2 cot x by 2 into half. This should be noted, coefficient of x. And in general, d dx of cosec ax plus b, d by dx, derivative is performed with respect to x. This is a symbol. So minus cosec ax plus b cot ax plus b into a coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Application, d dx of cosec 2 plus 3x. So argument is linear. You can apply formula starting with c. So minus cosec, same argument, 2 plus 3x cot 2 plus 3x into coefficient of x, 3 into coefficient of x. So argument is linear. So these are the 10 basic formulae. To know derivative, you must know these 10 basic formulae. Proof is not required. So you can prove it, I have already stated with the help of first principle. So you should know these 10 standard basic formula. So today through these videos, so how to recall derivative of these 10 basic formula or formulae, it is discussed. So using this result, we can perform derivative. So basic concept is to remember, to memorize these 10 standard result. So you should remember these 10 standard result. I'll discuss then basic part in next class. So thank you for today.